I would say that the program here at Tennessee Tech for engineering is really solid. The professors all have their very large pool of knowledge. A lot of them have been in industry, a lot of them have done research and are doing research, and so it's a really kind of tight-knit family. And I think that's one of the benefits that you have from going to a smaller university like this. And even when I was here back in the day, and that was probably 15 years ago, it hasn't changed since I've been back. So the research that I primarily focus on is wireless power transfer. And so all the projects that I have, to some degree, are about transferring electrical energy from one location to the other without wires. Of the projects I'm working on, most of them have opportunities for undergraduates to get involved and get their hands dirty, and basically learn hands-on skills that they can apply what they learn in the classroom to real-world applications, which I think is beneficial for both students that want to go on into graduate school or go out in industry and work in the field.
We're almost kind of all over the place, and a lot of this is stuff that hasn't been done before, so it is really difficult because you can't just go back and look at some other guy's paper and get like a general idea. Oh, I can do this, or there's a lot of this that hasn't get done, that there's not a lot of research on. So I think that's really interesting. It's the hard part, the challenging bit is we're just kind of out here doing stuff that's wild and hasn't been done before. And
I think if the students are interested in physics and they're interested in mathematics, but they like to apply it and they like real world type, like designing things, then they should definitely consider engineering. The advantages of studying engineering at a smaller school are that you have a much better opportunity to not only know the professors, but it's a better learning environment for sure. And there's also lots of opportunity afterward because we're next to Oak Ridge National Lab. There's a lot of industry that comes here to Tech, and Tech has kind of established itself on having students that the industry wants to hire. And so because of that and its size, I think it really makes everything really conducive to being a great place to go to school at. So I know it was for me.